Hello friends, my name is Saurav Misra. Today I am going to start the matrix second part. In the first part we will discuss about the matrix and its types. Today we will discuss about the algebra and the numerical based on it. So if you did not subscribe my channel till now, then do it, and now I am going to start today's video. The first algebra property of the matrix is the addition. What is the addition? If A and B are any two matrices of the same order m cross n, then A m cross n plus B m cross n will be equal to A plus B m cross n. It is necessary that the order of A and the order of B are same. If these two orders are same, then the order of the A plus B will be also same. But if the order of A and the order of B are different, then the summation of these matrices are not possible. The properties of the addition are the commutative properties. If A plus B is equal to B plus A, the second one will be the associative. Here A plus B plus C will be equal to A plus B plus C. The next one, additive identity. As we know that the 0 is the additive identity for any number, so here we take the additive identity as a null matrix O. And the next one, additive inverse. The inverse of A is the minus A, so the sum of the A and minus A will be equal to 0. Here we take an example for the summation of the A matrix. Let us consider, let A is equal to 2, 3, 9, 8 and B is equal to 3, 7, 2, 9. Then A plus B will be equal to 2 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, 9 plus 2 and 8 plus 9, which will get 5, 10, 11 and 17. Here the order of A is 2 cross 2, B is 2 cross 2, and the product A plus B have the order 2 cross 2 also. So now we will discuss about the subtraction between two matrices. If A and B are any two matrices of the same order m cross n, then A m cross n minus B m cross n, that's give A minus B m cross n. Let us take an example. If A is equal to 7, 2, 9, 3 and B is equal to 4, 1, 5, 2, then A minus B will be equal to 7 minus 4, that will be 3, 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1, 9 minus 5 will be 4 and 3 minus 2 will be 1. Here we can see that the order of A is 2 cross 2, B is 2 cross 2 and the order of A minus B is also 2 cross 2. The next algebra is scalar multiplication. What is this one? If Aij is any matrix and K is any scalar, then K into A, that will give K into products of sub elements of A of the same order. The properties of the scalar matrix are the K dot A plus B will be equal to K dot A plus K dot B. K1 plus K2 dot A will be equal to K1 dot A plus K2 dot A, and K1 dot K2 dot A will be equal to K1 dot K2 dot A. Now we will discuss about the matrix multiplication. What is it? If A and B are any two matrices of the order m cross n and n cross n, where here the order of A will be m cross n and the order of B will be n cross n, then the A cross B will be equal to A cross B m cross n. Here is a twist. What is that one? The number of the columns of A will be equal to number of rows of the B. Otherwise this matrix multiplication is not possible. What is the properties of this one? It does not follow the commutative law, associative law. It follows the associative law. A dot B dot C will be equal to A dot B dot C. it also follow the distributive law. A plus B dot C is equal to A dot C B dot C, and the identity here, the identity exists. I dot A will be equal to A dot I A, where the I is the identity matrix. Now we will discuss about some important questions based on the algebra of the matrix. First one is that what will be the value of A ij 2 cross 2 where Aij is given as I plus 2j का whole square upon में 2. So first of all, what is the matrix A? The order of the matrix A is given as 2 cross 2, so it will be A11, A12, A21 and A22. First of all, we have to find the value of A11, A12, A21 and A22. We have given that I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1 whole square upon में 2. It will be 3 whole square upon में 9 or 3 whole square upon में 2, 9 upon में 2. The next one, A12 will be equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon में 2 will be equal to 5 whole square upon में 2, or it may be written as 25 upon में 2. Next one, A21 will be equal to 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon में 2 will be equal to 4 whole square upon में 2, or it may be written as 16 upon में 2 will be equal to 8. Next one, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2 whole square upon में 2 will be equal to 2 plus 4 whole square upon में 2 will be 6 whole square upon में 2, or it may be written as 36 upon में 2 or 18. So the value of the matrix A will be given as A11 is equal to 9 upon में 2, A12 is equal to 25 upon में 2, A21 is equal to 8 and A22 is equal to 18. So this will be the solution of the given question. In this question, we have to find the values of x, y and z, where we have given that x plus y 2, 5 plus z, xy will be equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. On comparing both matrices, what will we find? On comparing we get x plus y is equal to 6, 5 plus z is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 8. Here we can find from this one 5 plus z is equal to 5 we have, then z will be equal to 0. From the first and second we find the values of y from here. What will we get? Y is equal to 8 upon x. Now put these value in this one. What will we find? X plus 8 upon में x will be equal to 6, or it may be written as x square plus 8 is equal to 6x, otherwise plus 8 is equal to 0. On taking common x, what will we find? X minus 4 and minus 2 x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 x minus 4. So the values of x are possible 2 and 4. On putting these values here, what will we find? At x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 4, and x is equal to 4, y will be equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 or 4, y is equal to 4 or 2, and z is equal to 0. This numerical, we have given that x plus this matrix is equal to this matrix, and we have to find the value of x. Here let us consider first, let A is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2 and B is equal to 7, 14, 15, 14. So x plus A will be equal to B and x will be equal to B minus A. Thus x is equal to 7 14 15 14 minus 3 4 1 2. Thus x will be equal to 7 minus 3 4, 14 minus 4 10, and 15 minus 1 14, 14 minus 2 12. Thus this will be the solution of this numerical. In this numerical we have given the value of a and b, and we have to show that a dot b will be equal to 2b. Here we can see that a is given that 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. If we take common here 2, then we get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and it is an identity matrix, so it will be equal to 2i. Now the LHS AB will be written as 2i dot b, and we know that the identity product will be b, and this will be the proof of this equation. In this video we will discuss about the algebra of the matrices and the numericals depend upon it. In the next video we will also talk about some important numericals and the theorems. So if I help you in understanding the algebra and the numericals based upon it, then subscribe, like and comment, share my video. Thanks for the watching.